Here we have a brown and black 3-piece large rectangular dining table with 2 benches. Thick tabletop along with a steel frame makes it perfect for a family of 4. Kitchen or dining room, residential or commercial. 3 sturdy metal crossbars on the table and benches provide support while adding modern industrial touch to a classic design. The nice high quality thick tabletop, engineered wood planks on the tabletop and seats provide ample support. An attractive wood grain style finish. Space-saving design enables you to slide the bench seats seamlessly under the table when not in use. This way you have plenty of room to walk around the table, and it even acts like an island in a small kitchen. The high quality metal and wood laminate can easily support a party of 4. Each seat can hold up to 500 pounds, while the tabletop boasts a high 175 pounds capacity. Super sturdy, looks modern, looks great, very functional. You should get this. Very high quality product.